Los Angeles 1. America's Got Talent, Tuesday, NBC, 6.24 million. $73 million. NFL weather delay, NBC, $4.16 million. The $100,000 pyramid, ABC, $14 million. Big Brother, Sunday, CBS, $3.96 million. CMA Fest, ABC, $3. America's Funniest Home Videos, ABC, $3.71 million. Big Brother, Thursday, CBS, $3. $59 million. Generation Gap, ABC, $3.34 million. FBI, International, CBS, $3. $31 million. The Neighborhood, CBS, $3.22 million. Young Sheldon, CBS, $3. $20 million. Tucker Carlson Tonight, Monday, Fox News, $3.